Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm proud to present to you 2015 brand new Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, and this is going to be full in-depth tour of the Prado. We'll start up, show the engine, go on some performance details, show you a bunch of the interesting features in the exterior as well as the interior. And so, here's the key. Let's start the engine, let it run for a while. This car comes equipped with smart key access system. Right now the car is unlocked. To lock it, tap this area, and to unlock, grab the handle. Very simple. Touch sensor behind. Very wide and wide opening doors. It's almost like 90-degree, providing easy entry and exit. This car has 9 airbags, including driver knee airbag. Black leather interior, beautiful. Running boards, very convenient handle. Solid doors, 4-spoke design wheel, multifunctional, rich wood trim, leather wrap, fake aluminum trim, beautiful. And to start the engine, put your foot on the brake and then hit about to start. Chrome accent, beautiful. Beautiful startup. This car comes equipped with hydraulic assist power steering companion, extremely fluid. Power tilt and telescopic. Very nice. Right now, let's turn the headlight, front rear fog lights, high beam, as well as headlights lights. All 4 windows in this car fully automatic, in both direction, up and down, one touch. Very nice. Double pane windows, rear windows. Very nice. Right now, let's open the hood and take a good look at the exterior of this car. Lever right there. Driver knee airbag located right here. Power moonroof. And that beeping here is that the proximity key, left detection of the interior. Roof rails, as you can see, back windows are fully tinted. Decklight spoiler with LED third brake light. And rear wiper located right there. Huge Toyota emblem, chrome trim, license plate lights, rear view camera, rear parking assist, single exhaust, rear fog lights, and your spare tire located underneath. Beautiful tail lights. multi-spoke, 18-inch aluminum wheels, tires measuring 265/60, 4-wheel disc brakes, beautiful factory rims, and flaps right there. Running boards. Turn cylinders and exterior mirrors, LED. They also heated and power folding, of course. Side view camera. Side windows are heated. Beautiful body lines, in my opinion. Heated windshield wipers, this area. Xenon projector headlamps, LED daytime running lights, headlight washers, chrome accent halogen fog lights, front parking assist, chrome accent grille, huge Toyota emblem, front view camera, bomb guard, Toyota. This car has inline 4, 16-valve, overhead cam, 3-liter, turbocharged diesel engine. It produces 173 horsepower, maximum speed of 175 km per hour. 0-60 time is 11.7 seconds. Combined fuel consumption for this car is around 9.5 liter per 100 km. The car is 4-wheel drive. And right now, guys, with a good look at the exterior, let's take a good look at the interior portion, the most interesting part. Two-tone door panels, rich wood trim, chrome door handle, fake aluminum trim, soft leather-wrapped armrest, 2-person memory for the driver's seat, window lock, central lock, rest of your power windows, storage and bottle holder right there, speakers, door lights, warning and tire pressure, driver's seat has power adjustment, sliding, seat high, recline of course, 2-way power lumbar, warning, air suspension, seats are extremely nice, quite comfortable, adjustable headrests and seat belts, power mirrors, they also heated and power folding, headlight washers, power heat for the engine, odometer and trip panel them, as you can see. Trip A, Trip B, quite easy. Additional heater for the engine. And here's your light indicator controls, intimate wiper controls right there. Your volume control and steering wheel, you can raise and lower the volume. Select between different track or select between different station, your different modes. Front view camera activation and side view cameras. Quite easy to use, very nice system. Different modes, as you can see. Clear graphic. Nice. Via Bluetooth you can connect your telephone and receive calls, and also Bluetooth stream of audio, on, hook and off buttons right here. Different settings, acceleration specification, elapsed time, average speed, average fuel economy, right now it's not correct, and current fuel economy. Turn off the parking sensors, blind spot monitoring system right there, activation, power folding feature, very nice. Your cruise control settings right here, set the speed, activation, deactivation, heated steering wheel right there, turn off the electronic stability program. Nice. Quite easy to read gauges, beautiful. Speakers, side cut airbags, adjustable armrest, soft leather wrap, cool box, warning, cup holder, ashtray, heated seats for the driver, for the passenger, auxiliary USB is right there, 12-volt part light, leather wrap e-brake, very light, automatic transmission, rich wood trim, leather wrap and chrome trim, with manual electronic shifting, so also sport mode, rear view camera with guidance lines, as you can see. Beautiful. 2 cup holders, storage right there, engine start and stop button, multi-terrain select right here, roll control activation, locking of the central differential, of course, and air suspension, turn it off, sport mode and comfort mode for the suspension, and 4-wheel drive settings. Passenger back indicator, rich wood trim, looks amazing for your knee, soft, and right there for the passenger, padded also, very nice. Dual zone, fully automatic climate control, very easy to use, temperature for the driver, the passenger, one touch automatic, you have hand speed control, digital clock adjustment, you have different modes right here, built-in air filter, dual means you can control both sides, individual settings, air conditioning, front rear defrost, recycle settings, off, turn it off, quite nice, very easy to use. Audio, I believe with 14 speakers, GBL. Alright then, let's see what kind of noise this engine produces. Very healthy diesel. Beautiful sound. Power button, volume, sounds pretty good. Of course, your navigation, very easy to use navigation, map settings, 3D view, junction view, traffic bar, very nice system to use. Location and GPS, your latitude, longitude, compass, zoom in, zoom out, your current position, very nice system to use. Create an entry, country, town, street, code, enter destination, traffic messages, route options. Very nice. Your telephone control, media, list, tuning, and general settings for the system. Volume settings, language, beeps, display settings, you can adjust contrast, brightness, camera, video, connectivity, and vehicle settings. Toyota Park Assist, front, rear, sonar distance. Overall, build quality and all the materials are just great. You can find hard touch and soft touch, beautiful, rich wood trim. Everything is very nice put together here with my 6'3" statue. Those seats are extremely nice. Thigh support is more than enough. Legroom is pretty good. Auto dim rear view mirror right there, and that's for the aftermarket alarm, of course. Warning right there. It's a brand new car. Ventilator with illumination. Auxiliary sunshade right there. Extendable. Grip handle. Your conversation mirror. And lights. Panel sunshade. Microphone, hands-free, and your power moonroof controls. As you can see, for a vent, warning, auxiliary sunshade, and illuminate vent mirrors. Right now, guys, let's shut her down. Let's grab the key and continue to restore. Additional heater for the engine. Very wide opening rear doors, quite nice. Child safety locks. Same two-tone door panels, soft leather wrap armrest, tweeters, speakers, and bottle holder. Warning. Back seats are very nice. Also has SFX system. Easy default, 640 split, adjustable headrest. Child seat anchors right there. Quite easy to get in and out. My 6'3" stature. Once again, very solid doors. Legroom is not an issue at all, and my headroom is more than enough. Storage pockets right there. Your rear vents, partlet, and there is no center tunnel. God hug, good airbags. Armrest, soft, 2 cup holders, illumination, very good back visibility. Good looking interior. And right now, guys, let's check the rest of the vehicle, shall we? We can open the glass only or a whole hatch. Easy access to put some small items. And you can open whole hatch. Huge trunk, cargo cover right there, 220 volt AC, illumination, subwoofer, speakers, tires, convenient handle, you can find power adjustment for the passenger seat, minus seat high and lumbar support. Seats are very nice. Lockable glove compartment, very good size, and here's your Panels, very thick buck for the navigation, and it's all Russian specification. Truly impressive 4x4, Japanese quality, feels very solid, very spacious, incredible 4x4 inside and out. Well guys, hope you enjoy my in-depth look at this 2015 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and see you guys next time. This is where it came from. Thanks for watching and take care guys.